A tiny powder can give you big health benefits, and it is easy to add to your day. This isn't a line from a fantasy story, but a reality rooted in one of nature's most potent offerings. Imagine a single ingredient, ground into a fine, earthy green dust that holds the potential to boost your immunity, rejuvenate your skin, and strengthen your hair. This is the world of Alma powder, cherished for thousands of years, yet perfectly suited for our modern quest for wellness. In this video, we'll pull back the curtain and show you simple, everyday ways to use it for real results. Alma powder originates from a humble yet powerful fruit known as the Indian gooseberry, scientifically named Phyllanthus emblica. It is a cornerstone of traditional Indian culture and medicine. The flavor is unique, intensely sour, with astringent and slightly bitter undertones. While it can be eaten fresh, it is commonly used in pickles, preserves, and powdered form. After harvest, Alma is sliced and slow-dried to protect delicate vitamins and antioxidants. Once dry, it is meticulously ground and sieved into a fine powder. This is a concentrated essence that retains powerful phytonutrients year-round. Beyond Ayurveda, its popularity has surged for its scientifically validated nutritional profile. Alma is celebrated as one of the most potent natural sources of vitamin C, more than an orange. It is packed with antioxidants, tannins, flavonoids, and other beneficial compounds. It offers a whole food approach that isolated vitamin pills cannot replicate. People use it to support immunity, digestion, skin and hair radiance, and overall cardiovascular wellness. We face oxidative stress from environmental toxins, poor diet, and normal metabolism. This creates unstable free radicals that damage cells, proteins, and DNA. Over time, that damage contributes to aging and chronic disease. Alma provides vitamin C, tannins, and flavonoids that neutralize free radicals and protect cells. This potent activity helps reduce systemic inflammation, a driver of issues from joint pain to heart disease. In Ayurveda, Alma is a gut-balancing tonic that supports the GI tract. It stimulates digestive secretions, improving breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Regular use can gently ease gas, bloating, and acidity for many. Its fiber promotes regularity, prevents constipation, and supports a thriving microbiome. A healthy gut is the foundation of strong immunity and well-being. Emerging research links Alma with better cardiovascular markers. It may lower LDL and triglycerides while supporting HDL. Antioxidants protect arteries from oxidative damage and inflammation. Some evidence suggests support for healthy blood pressure. Alma may improve insulin sensitivity and moderate sugar absorption, helping reduce spikes, crashes, and cravings as part of a balanced, low-glycemic diet. Alma powder is famous for its extraordinarily high vitamin C. Vitamin C supports the production and function of your immune system's frontline soldiers. Unlike many synthetics, its vitamin C is bound with tannins and phytonutrients, which may protect it from oxidation and enhance bioavailability. That means a more robust, sustained boost, especially in cold and flu season. Vitamin C is a crucial cofactor for collagen, the protein behind firmness and elasticity. As collagen declines with age, Alma supports your natural rebuilding process, promoting a smoother, more youthful-looking complexion. Antioxidants neutralize daily free radical onslaught from sun and pollution, helping brighten and even tone while reducing the look of sun damage over time. Regular intake is like an internal shield, a simple step toward a natural glow. Many report fewer illnesses and clearer, brighter, more vibrant skin with consistent use. It nourishes at a cellular level, addressing root causes of dull, tired-looking skin. Managing cholesterol is key for heart health. Alma offers natural support. Studies suggest improved lipid profiles, lower LDL and triglycerides, supportive HDL. Its antioxidants and phytonutrients counter inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting vessels. Some research shows a mild benefit for blood pressure. As a gentle digestive tonic, Alma supports the digestive fire, Agni. It encourages healthy gastric secretions and enzyme activity for smoother digestion. Many feel less heaviness and may experience fewer reflux symptoms. Fiber adds bulk, eases elimination, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Better digestion improves nutrient absorption, fueling energy, vitality, and overall wellness. Alma is a legendary natural tonic for hair and scalp. Its fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin C strengthen follicles to reduce premature hair loss. Massage oil or paste to boost circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to roots. Hair becomes shinier, softer, and more manageable. Antioxidants help protect pigment cells. While not reversing gray, regular use may delay new grays. Make a weekly mask with water, yogurt, or aloe to condition and clarify the scalp. Apply 30-45 minutes, rinse, then shampoo and condition for natural luster. Topically, its astringent, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties can refine pores and calm breakouts. Integrating Alma is simple. Start your day with an Alma-infused drink. Stir 1 teaspoon into warm water, add raw honey or lemon. Drink on an empty stomach. Prefer smoothies. Add 1 teaspoon to banana, berries, yogurt, and plant milk to mask sourness. Whisk a pinch into dressings and stir into chutneys, dals, and stews for bright, balanced flavor. Try a no-fuss paste. 1 teaspoon Alma with 1 teaspoon raw honey once daily. Morning Alma tonic. 1 teaspoon Alma, optional honey, 1 cup warm water. Stir and sip slowly. Smoothie. Ripe banana, 1 cup milk, ½ cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon Alma, honey or a date. Blend till creamy. Hair mask, 2 to 3 tablespoons Alma, plus yogurt or coconut milk to thick paste. Apply 30-45 minutes, rinse. Face mask, 1 tablespoon Alma with raw honey and rose water. Apply 10-15 minutes, rinse gently with circles. While natural and generally safe in food amounts, start slowly, ½ teaspoon daily, and observe. Monitor if on diabetes or blood pressure meds. If pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing conditions, consult your provider. Choose quality, reputable brand. Ingredient list should read Pure Alma, Phyllanthus emblica, ideally organic. Remember, it is a booster. Pair with balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. This video is for educational purposes only. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more natural health insights.